Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to pass data through params. So when I click on view here, all the data should be available here of the max. So we will pass this data through params. So let's do it now. First I will show you my routing model.ts. Here in view we are passing it by ID. Into HTML, this is our view. So we'll pass by data by ID. Interpolate. So we need to pass this data by ID to the view component, which is here below. Yeah, this is our view component. Here we have to pass it. So let me first pass the API in our constructor, which is our service. So this got auto imported. Now I have to pass the activated route. Activated route. So even this got auto imported. So we need our model object here, which is done in model. We need to import that as well. So I'll go here. Above constructor I'll use it like public student data. That got auto imported, we can see. Sorry, this got auto imported. So here I will be calling my activated route, this dot activated route. Let me make as a route only, no need of routed. Dot param map dot, I have to subscribe this. Let me use param params. This I have to store now. Let me store this in data ID. Here I have to assign it. Data ID is number. Let me store in data ID. This dot data ID equals to param dot get ID. If you want to see the ID is coming or not, we can see in our front end. Like I'll say use the play tag data ID JSON. So when I click on view, we can say ID number 3 is incoming. I'll go back. I'll add another data and show. Let me put something. Now if I want to check this, I'll click on view. We can see data ID 4 is coming. So I'll go back to my component.ts. I'll bring the full data now, and full data will come from API. So I'll show my API to you first. This is my API service, and this fetch data I will be calling there. So in this constructor I have imported API first. So let me call now this dot API dot fetch data this dot data ID. I have to subscribe data, and I have to store student data. The student data is our model. This itself, this is coming now, and this data I have to make here. I have to assign it here, declare here data any. Let me make use of this arrow function here. I'll store this data in this dot student. This dot student equals to data. So we have to check in our front end using that student JSON. So I'll go to view component here. If data is coming or not, I'll use the pre-tag again. Pre-tag. I'll use interpolation again. Student JSON. We can see data has been coming. I'll go back and show another one data. When I click on view, even this data is coming. But now thing is that we have to display the data here, not here. So let's do it. So I'll be writing here value equals to here use again interpolation student dot email. I'll use, sorry, this is name. I'll use student dot name here, and here I'll use student dot email, which is email itself. Here I have to use student dot city. Let me use city. Here I have to use mobile. Dot mobile. Here I have to use subject. And check our data is coming or not. Let me remove this and let me check. Yes, we can see our data has been coming. If I click on this view, even this data is okay. Subject is not coming. I think there is no subject for this. Okay, I'll put. Okay, I'll press on view. We can see for this data is coming. When I click on view, for this also data is coming. So we have learned how to pass the data through params. So thanks for watching this video.